Welcome learners, students, viewers to a video on key card, hotel map, resort map, innovation and communication. On your screen, you see a sample of a key card. I'll zoom in so you realize what you are actually watching on your screen. This is the key card for this key. Please follow the cursor. This is the key. We are looking at the reverse of the key, and this is where the pocket is there to insert the key. The key is inserted in this pocket, then further folded and given to the guest. This is how it looks. So this document not only serves as a beautiful looking key card, key jacket for the electronic key to the guest room, but it also serves another purpose, and that is communication and information. For example, look at this key, this card key, this key. This also has been used to communicate with the guests. I'll read it for you. Checkout. The checkout time is 12 noon. A half day's room charge shall be applicable for an extension up to 6 p.m. And after 6 p.m., a full day's charge shall be levied. As this key card is pre-coded and reusable, we request you to kindly hand it over to the reception at the time of checkout. So very nice way of requesting the guest to deposit the key at the checkout. And this is issued by the Leela Goa. The contact details of the hotel is of course there. Website, email address, fax, telephone number, everything is there. Complete address, contact details are there. And as you further go down, you'll still see that there is one more communication, piece of communication. For the safekeeping of your valuables, please use the electronic safe in the wardrobe of your room. Electronic safe are operated by the password set by the user staying in the room. Alternatively, the hotel provides safe deposit boxes at the front desk. To learn about these issues about safety lockers, watch a video on my channel called Hotel Services or Guest Services during stay in the hotel. The hotel will not be liable for loss of items placed in the room or front desk safes. So you notice that the hotel is not only giving a key and a key jacket to the guest, but they're also fulfilling their obligation of informing the guest. Now the guest cannot say that they were not informed. There is a principle of law that ignorance of law cannot be an excuse. I repeat, ignorance of law cannot be an excuse. So if hotel has supplied information to the guest cannot claim that they were not informed. So this is a great piece of innovation by Hotel The Leela Goa. And let us look at the map. Let us first zoom out. Look at it in totality. So all the places are numbered, and what is like mentioned here serially. Like one is Resort Gate, Port Koshier. This I do not know what it is. Some outlet must be. Then Lobby and Yali Lounge, Jamawar, an outlet I'm sure. The restaurant, the pool, the spa and fitness. Then Just for Kids, Play Center, Children's Swimming Pool, Tennis Center, Temple, and Honeymoon Island and Yoga Pavilion, Shopping Arcade, Riverside Restaurant, Las Vegas, I don't know, could be a casino, but I don't think so. Spice Garden, and this I think I'll not pronounce, I do not know how to pronounce it. And this map is carefully made, and all areas, all room numbers are shown on the map. I think I'll not explain. You notice this, the directions north, south, east, and west. So The routes, the locations are clearly demarcated, shown to the guest. And what this does for the guest is that they don't have to come back to front office for all the information. This empowers the guest to search for something on their own, and saves valuable time for everybody, not just guests but also for the hotel employees. In the chapter on guest cycle, I have mentioned that the hotel task is routine, and routine tasks after some time become monotonous, tiring, irritating, and that is why this is a great piece of innovation. And some responsibility has been transferred to the guest to find out about the locations, the routes inside the hotel. Let us move on to the other part of this document from the Leela Goa. This is the front. So let us zoom in. The very first thing you notice here is Namaste, and a beautiful, mysterious looking photograph. I do not know what that photograph means. I'm sure the hotel guests, when they ask, the employees would be telling a beautiful story to them. We all love stories, don't we? Let me first zoom out. This is written by some guest. I don't know what it is. And once again, you notice the contact details. And very beautifully, the hotel is also communicating about all its sister properties at other locations: New Delhi, Bengaluru, Chennai, Mumbai, East Delhi, Gurugram, Udaipur, Goa, and Kovalam. And also about upcoming hotels, Bengaluru, Jaipur, and Agra. So it's a very fine piece of marketing demonstrated by the Hotel Leela Goa, and I think it's really impressive. Let me now zoom out once again, and let us focus on the third part of this document. It says, your key. For your added security, we have equipped all our guest rooms with the latest electronic keying system. So this is very reassuring to the guests that they are safe. Your room lock has just been reprogrammed to accept only the attached key. So again, one more piece of reassurance that the room is safe and we will not open with any other lock, with any other key. This key will be valid for the duration of your stay as stated upon check-in. Should you wish to extend your stay, we kindly request that you contact the front desk. So it is very clearly mentioned to the guest that the key, if they want to extend their stay, want to stay further, then the key has to be recoded. We request you to deposit the key with the front desk on your departure, and wishing you a very pleasant stay. So information, communication, covering the risk, reassuring the guest, so many aspects taken care of in just one document, and this is what I call innovation. And I think I'm really impressed by this piece of work, this document, Hotel Leela Goa. I have similar documents of another hotel. Let us go to that document. This is same Leela Hotels document, another picture. This is a key card. It does not contain a room map, a hotel map, or resort map, but it does include details about the points of sale, especially I think the eating outlets, the spa, and timings of swimming pool, then children's camp, children's playing area. So outlets, the timings are all mentioned so that guest does not have to check with hotel again and again. So it saves time and effort and energy for everyone. And this is another piece of innovation. Which hotel this key card belongs to, I do not know. Here is the pocket for holding the key card. And here, this is where the receptionist, the associate, will write the room number of the guest. This is another document with similar concept. The key card, here is a slot for keeping the key. Just here is the like slot. This is the slot. The key is inserted here. The name of the guest, room number, departure date is mentioned. Then there is a beautiful note from the Vice President Operations about, to the guest. Dear guest, we are delighted that you have chosen to stay with us. If there is anything our team can do to make your stay more comfortable, please let us know. May we take this opportunity to wish you a very pleasant stay. Yours sincerely, Mr. Deepak Sethi, Vice President Operations. Let us zoom out. And once again, the entire map and all the areas indicated very clearly. We'll go through the areas. It also indicates the floor on which they are located. The floors are here. So arrival court is, I'm sure, the lobby area. No, I think something else. And then lobby, Galleria lobby, Pavilion Heights. What it is, I do not know. Reception, say Sheen, could be a Chinese restaurant maybe. I don't know. The Grand Buffet. No, this is something else. So because China is here, so this would be a French restaurant. Say Sheen is a French term, so this would be a continental restaurant. Tapas, the lounge bar. Lounge bar is in the lobby. It's a comfortable seating area. To know more about a lounge and lobby layout, please watch another video on my channel. It is called Lobby Layout. Patra would be an outlet. Pool View Pavilion, the Tea Lounge, Pavilion Cafe, all these are outlets. And it's also mentioned on which floor. Leisure Mall Discotheque is indicated. Then cashier and departure lobby, which means there is a separate lobby for departure. Then the rooms, various wings on which they are located, wing 1, wing 2, wing 4. So that makes it very convenient for the guests to identify where they are staying and avoid getting lost in a very large hotel. JP Palace Agra is one of the largest hotels in India, and it is a largest convention hotel in India. And we can now see why they have so many rooms. Here are a set of another outlets: Aqua Grill, Diwane Khas, Exhibition Court, Business Center, Diwane Aam. Diwane Khas, Diwane Aam are Urdu words like for privileged people and ordinary people. Convention porch is, I think, a separate entry area for all the cars. Conventions are very large conferences, gatherings, political, social, and that is why it has a separate porch, dedicated porch for all the arriving cars. Is it squash or squash? I think it should be squash. Squash court, tennis court, poolside lawns. So all these things, all the facilities mentioned at one place, so a guest knows exactly what he or she can enjoy in this hotel, what services are available, and where they are located, so they can also find their way easily to these locations. And this is the reverse, this is the top, a beautiful picture of the hotel, then the hotel's name, the logo of the hotel. We have room number here, which was issued by the hotel. And all the outlets once again are shown here, restaurant. I'll not go through this because we already have seen this list over there. Maybe let's go through it. It describes all the outlets. Restaurants, Pavilion Cafe is a 24-hour coffee shop. It serves Indian and continental cuisine. The Grand Buffet is a lavish buffet spread for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Since it's a convention hotel, so frequently it will have groups, large groups, and therefore a dedicated buffet area for group meals. Tapas is a well-stocked bar overlooking the reflection pool. So it's a poolside bar. Then we have Patra is Indian restaurant serving cuisine from Amritsar to Lahore. So it's a Punjabi cuisine, maybe Mughlai cuisine, a mix of that. North Indian cuisine. And then we have Say Sheen. So a French term, but used for restaurants serving authentic Chinese cuisine. So I think I was right. It does serve Chinese cuisine, not French. And then we have Aqua Grill, which is a poolside barbecue. Barbecue is the meat joints are roasted on live fire. The Old Baker is a patisserie that offers an exotic range of cakes, pastries, and breads. And then we have Leisure Mall, providing entertainment, leisure activities like bowling, the pool table, billiards, snooker, electronic games, and a snack bar, all at one place. And Tamaya is a spa, salon, and wellness center. It also provides you with Ayurvedic massage. So, great stuff, great range of options for the guests at JP Palace Agra. And now let us concentrate on this third part. Again, information, communication, instruction. Please keep all your valuables in the hotel lockers. Non-registered visitors are not permitted in guest rooms after 10 p.m. Please take care of your personal property. Any loss or damage will not be the responsibility of the hotel. Check-in, check-out time is 12 noon. And then some important contact numbers. May I help you? So if they have any issues to sort out, they can contact lobby manager on this number, reception at this number, bell desk, concierge, cashier, operator is telephone operator. Room service has 3 numbers. Housekeeping also has 3 numbers. And for emergency, they have another number, a unique dedicated number, 777. And once again, the contact details of JP Palace Agra in detail, website, email address. So, beautiful piece of communication, innovation done by Hotel JP Palace Agra. Key card, resort map, hotel map, information, marketing, everything in one document. So it is awesome. I think that's it in this video about hotel map, resort map, serving as key card. If you have still any questions, any word you saw in the video which you would like me to clarify, please ask through the comments. And have a wonderful day. Have a lovely day.